Samanta Jakavale so anatra kichanto te vata satamang muni rijasa sananto sakamau Tosata, the place of angels, Whiplo, name Tosat, and that means angels have a name Tosat because how the men happy in their hearts in everything they have. The place of angels named Tosat, the king of control, a name Santasat. The place of angels are smart. All the Buddha have the lighter and perfect. The last of the Buddha born in Tosat, all angels 10,000 make a group. They are talk to Buddha. You can born in world of people and you can know everything. The Santasat is 5 steps. The step 1 about time, the step 2 about a place of burn, the step 3 about country, the step 4 about good family, the step 5 about mother and give of the year to her. He saw the good time. He was born in people world. The king Sarametai and with angels follow him. They are stay in Tosat. The people are held the light 80,000. The Buddha is born in the world of people and he become a Buddha in the world of people. Sadhu, sadhu.